Do you have a desire to explore the world and get a grasp of business terms in English? Do you find yourself struggling to understand English idioms, making it difficult to communicate effectively? Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to teaching English idioms to adventurous people like yourself. Hey there, Globetrotters! If you're passionate about travel and eager to communicate like a local wherever you go, you've come to the right place. Our channel is all about mastering English idioms to help you navigate different countries, cultures, and conversations. Every week we break down popular English idioms in a way that is clear, concise, and beginner-friendly. We understand the challenges you face, and we're here to help you navigate through the vast sea of idiomatic expressions.
What on earth did they mean by it's raining cats and dogs? I don't see any animals falling from the sky.
We have all had those moments, but fear not. Our team of experienced English teachers is here to guide you on this exciting language learning journey. Through engaging news videos, we provide easy-to-understand explanations of idioms, complete with real-life examples. We'll help you unlock the meaning behind phrases like raining cats and dogs, so you can confidently navigate conversations during your travels. We're dedicated to making your language learning experience enjoyable and effective.